about this next. Let's talk about building, because you have to build a house. You have to build a financial house. All right, and it all is very important in the steps that you use to build it. So whenever you build a house, what portion of that house do you start with to make sure that house is sturdy? The foundation. Would you ever want to live in a house with a crack in its foundation?
No.
No. Why not? What's going to happen?
It's gonna collapse.
It's going to fall. Right? So this is your financial house. I told you I'm going to teach you art today. I didn't say I knew how to draw, but I said I was going to teach you art today. So this is your financial house. You have your foundation. Regardless of how unstraight that is, it's a foundation. So this is your income, what we call income protection. Anybody know what income protection is? Life insurance. Because as you're building the rest of the house, you'll see why this is the foundation. Then the next step is debt. You want to pay down debt. Obviously, all of this entails having a budget and an income, right? But you want to pay down debt. Then you want to have savings. This is more long-term. Retirement savings is more important than short-term savings, and I'll tell you why. Because on top of that, we have college savings. The reason why we have college savings secondary to retirement savings is because you can always take money out of out of retirement to pay for college. But you can't take money out of college funds to pay for your retirement. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And there are certain accounts that we're going to cover today that you can take money out of, and you don't have to, and you can take money out of so that you can put it towards college. And then you have fun and games. Where do most people try to build their house first? Fun and games. Right? Oh, tomorrow isn't promised.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But what if you get it? Then what? Then what? Right? So begin from the bottom and we're going to work our way up. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Awesome.